Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So we'll go over your issue here of your PayPal button. You said it doesn't work. So the first thing I noticed here, here on an order form, you don't want to have an integration set up here. Okay, so when you have an integration set up like this here for an email list, it will interfere. So basically, what's going on when you have this integration here is it's attempting to submit the email. Okay, so this is for an email integration. Okay, right, typically is what we use this for the opt-in. So what it's trying to do is submit the email data and the name while also trying to submit the credit card information and all that, and also process uh, the PayPal or Stripe connection. I think it's you have a PayPal connection here. So it's trying to process all of that, and basically what happens is it breaks the connection, so it won't allow that process to occur. So what you want to do is go ahead and disconnect this. Okay, all right. So disconnect that, and I understand that you want to collect the email. So what you want to do is get that same list here, what you have here, the integration steps necessary. Okay, so all right. So this is what you named your integration. All right. So what you're going to want to do is go to your order form here, okay? And then go to your products. You may have already done this, but I'm gonna go ahead and check anyways here. All right, so it's PayPal. So this area, the follow-up action here, is where you wanna connect. Okay, yeah, all right. So you didn't do this yet. So this is where you actually wanna connect, right? So if you're gonna use MailChimp here, then this is where you make that selection, okay? So you're gonna go follow-up action, click MailChimp, and then right here is where you're going to add to the list, okay? And then from here, this is where you make a selection to that list, okay? All right, now if that list isn't here, make sure it is added in your MailChimp, okay? All right, so this is ultimately when you have an order form. Now none of this is going to save, okay? So this will all be reset back to it the way it was before I showed you here, okay? But just real quick, so this is the way that you need to set up a product so that when people purchase the product and you want them to be added to a list, this is the way you need to do it, okay? So referring back to what I said before, when we're dealing with an order form specifically, this is the only way that you want to connect your order form to an email integration. It's on the back end of the product here, okay? All right, so just go ahead and do that. Make these changes, add to list, make your list selection, and then go back to your order form here, and then make sure you delete. Let me see here. Remove the integration here. Okay, so just disconnect this here, and then save. Okay, and then go back out, and then go to your order form, go to your products, and add it on the back end there. Go through that and save. All right, so go through that process, and then once you're done with that, retest your funnel, okay? So what I would do once you're done with all that, you save it. What I would do is I would log completely out of your ClickFunnels account, okay? And then I would come up here, and I would clear your browser cookies, okay? And then once you've done that, I would open a new window, okay? And then open a new incognito window here, okay? So this is going to bypass all of the cookies and all that stuff, all right? But you have to clear them first, all right? And then once you clear them and then you open up this, it's just like it gives you a clean slate to work with here. Now, once you've opened this up, log back into your ClickFunnels account from here, okay? And then open your funnel in an incognito window. We recommend always doing this. Anytime you're working with your ClickFunnels account or testing anything, always clear your browser cookies at least once a week. If you're on the computer every day, you might want to clear it more often, a couple times a week. And then always open your ClickFunnels account and funnels in an incognito window while testing them, okay? All right.